Not. I'm Filipinos.
Oh, so I'm from Indonesia, bro. Do you know Indonesia?
Indonesia. Ah,
Yes. So your name like Spanish. I say that it's really similar with the Spanish name, Jos Garcia. Oh,
ah,
so tell me, bro, why many people like a Spanish name in Filipina? Not only you, but I have many friends from Philippines. They are same names with you, like the Spanish names, like Jos Garcia, like Leticia, just like that. Why, bro? What happened exactly? But Filipina not speak Tagalog, no? Not speak Spanish, but speak Tagalogs.
I don't understand English because I am Filipino.